really great videos idea that gets you views on YouTube, that gets you subscribers on YouTube. Those are the hottest videos that you want to keep doing. That is a huge idea for making YouTube videos. Hello everyone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another how to grow your YouTube channel video. How to grow your channel, how to get more views, how to get more subscribers. Welcome to another video. My name is Ruth. Thank you so much for stopping by this video because you clicked on the right video, on the best video here on YouTube. In this video, I give legit tips that I put into practice and that works for me. I literally don't come here and talk trash. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube. I come here and tell you legit tips that worked for me and I hope to work for you. Okay, today's video is going to be about 7 YouTube videos great ideas that actually helps you grow your channel, or 7 tips on how to pick out good videos to post here on YouTube that grows your channel, that gives you more subscribers, that gets your subscribers up there, that gets you more views on YouTube. Okay, before we get into this video, guys, of course you know what I'm about to say. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the red button below and the bell beside it to get notified. Each time I post a video. I'm going to be doing more videos on how to grow your channel, and like I said before, guys, I'm bringing to you guys legit tips that I put into practice and that worked for me, and I'm hoping that it'll work for you guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to get more videos from me. Let's get right into the video. What you should look at to make videos that actually gets people's attention, that gets you views, that people want to click on here on YouTube. The number one tip here is videos that people want to really see, like videos that people really want to see. People really want to see and people want to click on. Think about it. What kind of videos do you think the viewers want to see? What kind of videos do you think will attract viewers? What kind of videos do you think they will be so fast to click on quickly here on YouTube? Think about that. What would you want to see when you go on YouTube? Actually, I asked myself that question, like, what would I want to see when I go on YouTube? Actually, think about it. What would I want to see when I go on YouTube? If you think that way, if you look at it that way, you will get better ideas on what to post on YouTube. So yeah, think about what you want to see. Think about what people are really going to click on. Like if you write a couple of ideas of what you want to do, look at all the options that you've got and think about what would I really want to click on YouTube? Like which of those would I really want to click on YouTube? So ask yourself that question before you post a video. Ask yourself that question before you make a video. So the next tip of what to look at, the next thing here, kind of videos that you want to post, or of what to look at to post good videos that get you views and grow your channel here on YouTube is talents. Like look at talents. Like if you got talents, because guys, talent is not something that you go to school to learn. It's something that you pay to learn. You're born with it. Like it's a talent. Like you're born with it, which means not everybody has that talent. Okay, there's a lot of people that have similar talents, but not everybody has a talent, has that talent. Not everybody around you have that talent. So when you think about that, a talent is something really special. It's something that you're born with. Like if you are good at it, you're good. Like you're just good at it. That's it. You're good. So do stuff that you're really good at and you have talent. If your talent is singing, comedy, if you have talent in comedy and acting, if you have talent in how to do stuff, if you have talent in singing and dancing, in comedy, in whatever you have talent in, sit down, think about your talent and something that you're really good at, and go ahead and make videos on those, because those are special things you're born with. So that is something that people definitely want to see on YouTube. That is something that someone's going to click on because you're good at it. You're going to do well than someone who is not good at it. Think about it. So talents and doing what you're really good at is a huge idea for making YouTube videos. Okay, the number 3 tip is try to do how-to videos. How-to videos. How to do this, how to do that. How-to videos. Guys, let me tell you, how-to videos is an amazing idea for YouTube videos. How to, because people want to learn. Like you right now, YouTube is literally, most of the time people on YouTube figuring out, looking for videos on how to do this, how to do that. So how-to videos, sis, they're just the hottest right now. How-to videos are the hottest videos that you want to keep doing. If you know how to do something, you want to go ahead and make that video. You want to go ahead and post it because you know how to do something. Someone out there wants to figure out how to do it. So how-to videos are really great videos idea that get you views on YouTube, that get you subscribers on YouTube. So try doing videos on how to do this, how to do that, how to do this. Things that you can do, show people how to do it. So the number 4 tip, or number 4 ideas on YouTube ideas or things that you want to do on YouTube is share special tips that worked greatly for you. Share with people on YouTube. Okay, For example, this video right now falls under that category. Sharing tips that worked greatly for you to people, tell them how to do it. So yeah, like I said, you want to go ahead and think about things that you've done, think about things that you're doing and that have worked perfectly fine for you. You want to go ahead and make videos and tell people, share these tips with people, share these tips with viewers, share these tips with your subscribers that worked greatly for you and how you did it. People are really interested in this. Let me tell you, if you go ahead and share tips, like share a bunch of tips of things that you've done that you really did great at and how you did it, people are mad interested in that. That is a video type of category. That's a kind of categories of video that gets you mad views and that grows your channel. The number 5th videos idea to do on YouTube that grows your channel is reaction videos. Guys, reaction videos are amazing. I'm telling you. Mostly when you react to popular videos on YouTube, or react to a popular or big YouTuber's video on YouTube. And YouTube definitely it's not gonna give you a copyright strike, because they usually say I think they have a guidelines that say as long as you are just doing it for fun, you're not posting someone's video directly, you're making your own video. So go ahead and react to popular videos by big YouTubers or popular YouTubers. Take note of that. When you do a reaction video, try to react to big videos like popular videos or trending videos. Do a reaction to those kind of videos, guys. Got darker in here. I hope you can still see me and hear me. So yeah, you guys, make sure you're reacting to popular videos, to big videos, to go ahead and give it a try. Do a reaction videos. And also, you want to react to something that you have interest. Like when you want to pick a video to react to, make sure it's something that you have interest, that you find interest in. Then you go ahead and do a reaction to this kind of video. Okay, the tip number 6 on how to do on YouTube ideas that actually grows your channel, that gets you subscribers and everything, that gets you more views on YouTube, is to do what is trending. So once in a while things get trending on YouTube. Everybody's doing the same thing. Everyone is posting this kind of video. It's just trending on YouTube. Whenever you got stuff trending like that, go ahead and give it a try. Try to do something that's trending. That is a huge one. When you do videos that are trending on YouTube, it's definitely going to increase your chance of many people finding them on YouTube. So yeah, try to go ahead and do trending videos. Do your own too. Like, it's trending. Do your own. Like, ain't nobody business. Do yours as well and post it up there. And that is a great YouTube idea for videos on YouTube that gets you views and grows your channel. Actually, you don't gotta do what's trending on YouTube. Like, you can go try stuff that are trending on other places like TikTok, other stuff. You can go try post stuff that are trending on other places, like on TikTok, maybe something's trending on Instagram or other social media, Facebook and stuff. Just post what's trending, do what's trending, give it a try, and do well at it, and then post your thing up there. So that's a really great YouTube video idea to grow your channel. And lastly, of course, I will always mention this: no matter what you do, no matter how much you tried other steps and you're not posting frequently, then how you gonna grow, bro? How are you going to grow? So yeah, no matter what you're doing, no matter how you put the best tips in the world into your videos, into your channel, and you're not posting frequently, that's just like, what do I call that? I'm gonna say that's like that's like investing in the wrong part, y'all. That's just nothing, really. That's really nothing. Okay, so yeah, we know, of course, we all get lazy once in a while to post. Like, it's natural. We just want to procrastinate every time, but you're gonna have to try. You're gonna have to try hard, try really hard, try to like sit up and get it done. You're gonna have to really try to post more frequently and be consistent and committed to whatever you're doing on here on YouTube. Sometimes if you don't have an idea of what to post, you don't have an idea of what to do, then you can go ahead and make part 2 of your videos. Do part 2 of all your videos. Do part 3. Just try to make sure you have a way of staying consistent, of posting frequently. There's always a lot of way to keep it going, guys. There's always a lot of way to keep it going. When you don't got ideas of what to do, but of course, if you actually go ahead and make plans at the beginning of everything, you're not gonna get stuck at a point. And yeah, but if you get to a point where you don't have an idea of what to do, because posting is the way, y'all. Consistency is the way. Frequency is the way. Post frequently. It is the way. And if you don't got videos of what to do, go ahead and make part 2s of your videos, guys. Go ahead and make part 3s of your videos. Make part 4. And do your thing. Nobody cares about what you're doing. Just try how you can. Try as hard as you can to stay on there. To stay consistent. To keep posting. To stay frequent. Like, don't be behind. Like, That's the way, guys. No matter what, I will always tell you the truth. You need to be consistent in no matter the idea that you have, no matter how whoever gives you their tip that works for them, as long as you're being consistent, it is going to work for you. Okay, you put all these tips into practice and you stay consistent on here, then it's definitely going to work for you, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did enjoy watching, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel on here and click on the bell beside it to get notified for more videos coming your way. I'm going to be doing more videos of things that I've done that have really worked for me. I will be doing more videos on how to grow your channel here on YouTube. See you guys in my next video. Bye.